How to turn off mention on Instagram. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, start by launching the Instagram app on a device. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. You scroll down to how others can interact with you section. You will now see various privacy options related to your accounts and interaction. Look for the tags and mention and click on it. You will have the following option: allow mention from everyone. This means anyone can mention you. Allow mention from people you follow. This means only people you follow can mention you. And don't allow mention. This option will completely block others from mentioning you on Instagram. Lastly, select no one to completely turn off the mention. This prevents anyone from mentioning you. Go back and the changes will be automatically saved. That's it. This is how to turn off mention on Instagram.